Hello and welcome to the regular wildlife quiz. This will consist of 8 questions of varying difficulty, some multiple choice, some true or false, and a couple where you're just going to need to get the answer correct. After I've asked all of the questions, there'll be time to pause this video, comment your answers down below before I reveal whether you've got them right or not. Come on, let's begin. Question number 1. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, what is the fastest speed a garden snail can travel at? Is it A, 8.5 meters per hour, B, 11.5 meters per hour, or C, 14.5 meters per hour? Question number 2. True or false? Buzzards are one of the UK's conservation success stories. After going extinct in the 1950s, they were reintroduced in the 1970s with birds from France, and now are the most common bird of prey in the country. Question number 3. How many species of native land mammal are there in the UK? A, 25, B, 37, or C, 48? Question number 4. True or false? Around 98% of the eggs that a common frog lays will not survive to become a froglet. Question number 5. What bird is singing this song? Question number 6. How long did the oldest known wild hedgehog live for? Was it A, 6 years, B, 10 years, or C, 16 years? Question number 7. True or false? There are 16 species of shark that are resident in UK waters throughout the year. Question number 8. What species is this mammal? So that's all 8 questions. Pause this video now and comment your answers down below, or wait for 5 seconds and then I'll reveal whether you've got them right or not. Right, let's reveal the answers. The correct answer to question 1 is A. The official top speed for a garden snail, according to the Guinness Book of Records, is 8.5 meters per hour. This record was set in 1995 by a pet snail called Archie. Archie covered a whopping 33 centimeters in just 2 minutes and 20 seconds. It's worth noting that the average garden snail moves at around half of this speed. Although buzzards are now the UK's most common bird of prey, and they have massively increased in number since the 1970s, the correct answer to question 2 is false. They never went extinct here and were not reintroduced. Instead, their populations recovered as people stopped persecuting them, and herbicides that were preventing them from breeding successfully were banned from use. You might be surprised to hear that the correct answer to question 3 is C. There are 48 native land mammals in the UK. Each spring, a female common frog can produce between 1 and 4,000 eggs. The vast majority of these eggs will never make it to becoming a froglet, with only around 1 in 50 doing so the correct answer to question 4 is true. Most of their eggs do hatch to become tadpoles, but during this stage they are easy prey for lots of small predators. Fish, newts, invertebrates, birds, and even grass snakes will feed on them. The birdsong featured in question 5 is that of one of our smallest birds, the wren. Pound for pound, these have one of the loudest songs for any bird in the UK, and it's quite a beautiful sound, if I say so myself. The correct answer to question 6 is C. The oldest known wild hedgehog lived for 16 years. This animal was discovered as part of a Danish citizen science project, where dead hedgehogs were aged based on the number of lines in their jawbones, in a similar way to how trees are aged by their rings. Before the study, the oldest known wild hedgehog lived for 9 years, but among other animals tested, the researchers also found an 11-year-old and a 13-year-old. I suspect a lot of people would have put false as their answer to question number 7, and that is correct. However, you might be surprised to hear that there are actually 21 species of shark that are resident in UK waters all year round, with about 40 species in total visiting this country. The animal on screen right now and featured in question 8 is a common seal, so well done if you got that right. Typically, these are not the most common seal in the UK, as grey seals are far more numerous. The two species can be separated as greys are larger, with longer, flatter heads and parallel nostrils. Common seals have shorter and rounder heads with V-shaped nostrils. And that is the end of this quiz. Thank you for taking part. I can't wait to see how you did in the comments down below. If you want to see more British wildlife, then check out this video on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.